In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make Brave faster, cleaner, and more beautiful. By the end, you'll have Brave browser optimized for speed, cleared of clutter, and customized with a cleaner, more attractive look. First, let's speed up Brave. Open Brave browser. In the top right, click the menu icon with 3 lines, then click Settings. On the left, select System. Turn on Use Hardware Acceleration when available by clicking the switch so it's enabled. This lets Brave use your computer's graphics chip for smoother performance. Just below, turn off Continue running background apps when Brave is closed, so Brave fully closes and frees up resources when you exit. Now, in the left sidebar, go to Privacy and Security. Find Trackers and Ads blocking and set it to Aggressive. This blocks more trackers and ads to reduce page load times and keep things responsive. Next, clean up Brave to remove old data that can slow things down. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete on your keyboard to open clear browsing data. At the top, change the time range to All Time. Check all boxes so everything is selected. Click Clear Data. This will remove history, cookies, cached images and files, and other site data. It's safe to do, but be aware you'll be signed out of most websites and may need to log in again. Now, tidy up your extensions. Click the address bar, type brave://extensions, and press Enter. Look through your extensions and click Remove on any you don't use. Confirm when prompted. Fewer extensions mean less memory usage and a faster startup, and you can always add an extension back later if you need it. Let's make Brave look better. Click the menu icon again, go to Settings, then select Appearance. Turn on Show Bookmarks bar so your favorite sites are always visible. Under Theme, choose the look you prefer. You can pick dark or light, or choose a theme from the store to match your style. Once that's done, open a new tab to see the changes. In the bottom right corner of the new tab page, click Customize. Here, set a background image, adjust colors, and choose the layout you like. As you click through backgrounds and color options, you'll see the preview update immediately. When you're happy, close the customization panel. For an extra boost, open a new tab, type Brave://flags in the address bar, and press Enter. This page contains experimental settings, so we'll only change the 2 listed here. At the top, use the search box to find Experimental Quick Protocol. Open the drop-down next to it and set it to Enabled. Then search for GPU rasterization, open its drop-down, and set it to Enabled as well. These options can improve network performance and graphics rendering. Now restart Brave to apply the changes. You can close and reopen Brave, or click the Relaunch button if it appears at the bottom of the Flags page. At this point, you've enabled performance settings, cleared old data, removed unused extensions, customized the appearance, and turned on 2 safe experimental features. Brave should now start faster, load pages more quickly, feel cleaner, and look the way you want. Your Brave browser is now faster, cleaner, and more beautiful, and everything is set up and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, please subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.